Today we are going to look at the top 5 best home security systems. All items are linked in the description. Let's get into it. First off, we have the REOLINK 8-channel home security camera. The REOLINK home security camera system is a robust and budget-friendly option for those seeking high-resolution video surveillance. With 5-megapixel cameras, this system captures clear and detailed footage, ensuring you can closely monitor your property. One of the standout features of the REOLINK system is its Power over Ethernet setup. This simplifies the installation process since you only need to run a single cable for both power and data transmission to each camera. It's a time-saving and cost-effective solution for DIY enthusiasts. The mobile app provides remote access, allowing you to view live footage and playback recorded videos from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. The REOLINK home security system is an excellent option for those looking for reliable surveillance without breaking the bank. However, while the system performs well in its price range, some users may find the user interface of the mobile app slightly less intuitive compared to other premium brands. Coming in at number 2, we have the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. The Ring Alarm system is an all-in-one home security solution, offering comprehensive coverage with a range of sensors and a base station. This kit includes contact sensors for doors and windows, motion detectors, a keypad, and a panic button for added safety. The system integrates seamlessly with Ring's ecosystem, allowing for easy control and management through the user-friendly Ring app. The app enables you to arm or disarm the system, monitor the status of various sensors, and receive instant alerts when an event is triggered. The optional professional monitoring service provides an extra layer of protection, ensuring that emergency services are notified if any security breach occurs. Installation of the Ring Alarm is straightforward, making it suitable for DIY users. However, the kit does not include cameras, which might be a drawback for those seeking a complete security system with video surveillance. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Next on our list is the ZOSI H.265 Plus. The ZOSI home security system is a reliable choice for those seeking a cost-effective surveillance solution without compromising on video quality. With full 1080p resolution and advanced H.265 Plus compression technology, this system efficiently stores and manages video footage, allowing for longer recording times. The 8-channel DVR provides ample storage capacity, enabling continuous monitoring of multiple cameras. The system supports motion detection, and when combined with the app, it can send alert notifications to your smartphone or email when motion is detected. The ZOSI mobile app allows for remote access, enabling you to view live footage and playback recorded videos from anywhere. However, some users may find the initial setup and app interface slightly less intuitive compared to more user-friendly systems. Coming in at number 4, we have the ANNKE 3K Lite security camera system. This system offers exceptional 3K Ultra HD video quality, providing crystal clear and detailed footage. The system's 5-in-1 DVR supports various camera types, allowing for flexibility when upgrading or adding new cameras. With advanced H.265 Plus compression, this system optimizes storage space, allowing for extended recording times without compromising on video quality. Remote access via the ANNKE app allows you to monitor your property in real time from your smartphone or computer. The night vision capability ensures 24/7 surveillance, even in low light conditions, providing round-the-clock protection. The ANNKE 3K Lite security camera system is an excellent choice for those who prioritize high-resolution video quality and the flexibility to expand their surveillance setup. However, some users may find the initial setup and configuration slightly challenging, especially if they are new to security systems. And finally, we have the LaView 4-megapixel security cameras. The LaView security cameras deliver clear 4-megapixel video resolution, providing detailed footage to help you monitor your property effectively. With excellent night vision capabilities, this system ensures visibility even in low light or complete darkness. The 8-channel network video recorder with built-in 2 TB storage offers ample space for continuous recording, enabling you to review past events as needed. The LaView mobile app allows for remote access and monitoring, so you can keep an eye on your home or business from anywhere. The camera's durable metal housing ensures both durability and weather resistance, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This robust construction ensures that the cameras can withstand various weather conditions. While the LaView 4-megapixel security cameras offer a reliable surveillance solution, some users may find the app's user interface in need of improvement for smoother navigation and a more intuitive user experience. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check back daily for new videos reviewing top products.